Hi friends, welcome to Art. Today we are going to look at the artwork of Andy Goldsworthy. He is an artist who uses materials that he finds in nature, puts them together to make compositions. Some of them are stills, some of them are moving. But the idea is that they're temporary. They're created, he documents them, and then they go away back into nature. So what we're going to do today is we're going to start by going around my yard, find some materials that we can use to create art with. We'll put those compositions together, we'll photograph them, and then they'll go away. So let's go have some fun. So we've collected some fun things that I found in the yard, and we're going to see what we can make of them. Like that ball, that's really strong. Nice rock. I'm feeling the sun right now. I might have to videotape it from looking over, but I'm just placing things and moving them and seeing if something is exciting to me. I really like that. Well, maybe this is a little too big. Hang on, I gotta find something else. All right, I'm thinking that this is, ooh, I really like that. I'd like you to see it from the top. Oh, and wait, there's the sun, and there's my tree shining down on my tree. Okay, so we're gonna try another one. This one I think I'm gonna try and go for something a little more three-dimensional. Still really loving that rock. I'm gonna try and figure out a way to get things to stand up. Those kids in the background are my neighbors. Sound like they're having fun today. Like that stick. The stick needs a friend. I'm just gonna try and balance them. Oops. Just like Andy Goldsworthy. Things fall down. And then we just got back at it. Oliver, really? Okay. This is a guest appearance from Oliver, who was taking my sticks. Okay, Oliver, over here. You can have the stick, but you gotta get out of the picture. All right. Let's see what else we could do here. It's hard to balance these things, but it's kind of fun to see what you can do balancing things. And I was really interested in this piece of jade, adding some color. And then you want to think about how to capture it. Are you going to get it across? Are you going to get it down? Are you going to take a picture of it and then add more things to it? All right, I think that's good for now. I'm going to take some pictures of it.